A lot of people think getting a nose job, also known as a rhinoplasty, is just about changing how your nose looks. But that's one of the last things I want to focus on during your consultation. It's not just about reshaping a nose. It's about understanding your face, your goals, and how to create results that look natural and balanced and uniquely you. One thing I wish more patients knew about before coming in is that there's no such thing as the perfect nose. What we're really doing is designing a nose that works in harmony with your other features like your eyes, your lips, and even your chin. In fact, some of the most dramatic improvements come from subtle adjustments, things most people wouldn't even notice at first glance, but they feel the difference instantly in photos, in the mirror, in their confidence. And another common misconception is that rhinoplasty is purely cosmetic. I treat many patients who also struggle with breathing issues, maybe because of a deviated septum or previous trauma. So when we plan your operation, we're not just looking at aesthetics. We're also thinking about function, comfort, and long-term satisfaction. And as for recovery, most patients are surprised. Yeah, you'll have swelling and some downtime, but you're not gonna be laid up for weeks. With the techniques I used, most patients are out and about within 7 to 10 days. This is a life-changing decision for many of my patients. I've seen people walk in unsure, nervous, even embarrassed about their profile, and walk out months later with confidence they never thought possible. That transformation doesn't start in the operating room, it starts during the consultation. And that's where we talk openly about your goals and your concerns, and what's actually possible. If you've been thinking about rhinoplasty, even if you're just curious, I would love to help you explore your options. Click in the link in the description to schedule a consultation at my Newport Beach office or virtually. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. We're always sharing honest, expert content to help you feel informed and empowered.